Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. And today we are going to draw a very beautiful, cute 2-layer cake. It's very simple and we are starting with a scale, and it's the first layer. Then make these small curves up and down, make it random. Now we will start with the second layer of cake. I'm using scale so that to make it really clear. And same thing we will repeat in the lower layer also. Make it curve from the sides. Now we will make the base of the cake, on which the cake is standing, using the scale. Now using eraser, I'm making the edges smooth. Rub the extra part and make the edge really smooth and curvy, just like a cake is. And now comes the time of making a candle. We'll make 3 candles. Now making this design on the side of the cake to give it a feel of a shiny cake. Now comes the time to draw a really beautiful balloon, heart-shaped balloon. So I drew this 3 heart-shaped balloon and now outlining the whole cake. And I enjoy doing it so much. I love, outlining. I love it. So hey everyone, if you are still watching and enjoying the video, do give a like in the like button and share this video to the people who really love to learn from us or love watching drawings and small videos like this. And don't forget to share it and like it and subscribe the channel. Hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And also you can join us in the Instagram and the Telegram group. I am giving the link in the below in the description box. Do join it in the Telegram so that you can learn more from us. Step-by-step learning, or the initial are the steps that you require in order to learn to be a really nice painter or a really nice drawing. To make simple drawings you can learn with us. So do join us in the Telegram group, and now enjoy. we will start coloring. I'm using the yellow color, blue color, pink color, white color, and at last red color. Hey everyone, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.